In this tutorial, I want to tell you about the top 5 best tips for launching your online course. With these tips, your course creation and launch will go much smoother and be more successful. Let's get started. Tip 1. Pre-sell your online course. Before you get started researching course content or creating the videos, try engaging potential customers to gauge customer participation and interest. The last thing you want is to waste weeks or months creating content only to find out that people are not interested in your product. So start launching your online course by pre-selling it before it goes live. This will save you time and give you a better direction for creation. Tip 2. Provide several pricing options. Even if you're the most qualified person to talk about the course topic, you do not want your course to be too expensive for most potential customers. When gauging the price, think about the typical audience budget, what your course delivers, and how much work went into course creation. From there, think about different pricing options such as packages and pricing plans. Also, consider different discounts such as an early bird special or student discount. Tip 3. Stay focused on the course topic. As you create your course, you may find a number of interesting but distracting topics related to the course topic. Though these topics may be informative, they are not what your customers signed up for. So do not waste your time talking about them. Instead, stay keenly focused on the defined course topic and stay away from other topics. Tip 4. Be honest about your experience. The fourth tip for launching your online course is to be honest about your experience and credentials. Never try to fool your potential customers about your expertise to get more sales. Doing so can lead you to legal trouble and ruin your online course creation reputation. Never be dishonest about your experience. Instead, be honest about your credentials. You do not have to be a PhD in the topic you're talking about. Just make sure that you have enough experience to back up what you're saying. This experience can be in the form of education, a hobby, or past work. In addition to being honest about your credentials, establish them from the beginning. Your credentials are a great way to hook potential customers and show them that they can trust the information that you're selling. Even if you do not have degrees in the course topic, your experiences can be a way to connect with potential customers and sell your product. Finally, the fifth tip for launching your online course is to be strategic about what bonuses you offer. Offering bonuses with your online course is a great way to increase its value and thus increase its price. However, you do not want to provide so many bonuses that they distract from the content or make you appear desperate. If you appear desperate, people will automatically distrust you and view your course as unprofessional. Here are some really great bonuses to consider adding to your online course. Fill-in-the-blank worksheets, checklists, templates, discounts for hardware or software, personal reviews of student work.